Lava launched its new entry-level smartphone under Bold series in India called Lava Bold N2. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Bold N2 features a tall 6.75-inch HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera, along with the unspecified secondary lens. Under the hood, the Lava Bold N2 comes powered by Uni-SoC SC9863A chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8322 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, with microSD expansion support. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box under Go Edition. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Bold N2 has been priced in India at 7,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from February 27th, in dubbed Indus black and cyan white color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Bold N2 4G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.